On the menu today, we're making sweet chili sauce. Now I like mine quite spicy, so I'm using 4 chilies here, but if you don't like it as hot, just use 2. So first thing to do is remove all the seeds, so cut your chili in half, cut the seeds out, and then you're going to thinly slice them, and then dice them very finely like this. Now add them to a saucepan, and to that you're going to add sugar, vinegar, and a little bit of soy sauce. You could also add a bit of fish sauce if you're into that sort of thing. Anyway, get this onto a high heat and bring it up to a boil, and you'll see at first all the bubbles are really small and pop quickly, but after about 5 minutes they'll hang around just for a second before they pop. At this stage I'm going to grate in 1 clove of garlic. I like doing it now rather than earlier as I find the flavours better. Continue to boil this until a probe reads 110 degrees centigrade, or you could go slightly higher if you want your sauce thicker. Here it's still hot so it looks a little bit runny, but as it cools it will thicken. And that's all there is to it. Now this is just a base recipe, so mess around with other flavours and find something you like. See you next week!